everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel with another video. This is the day 15 of our 90 days speaking series, and in today's video I want to share my progress over 14 days, 14 to 15 days, what I did. Really, I'm over the moon because I maintain the consistency. You know very well, I took a challenge of 90 days speaking challenge and successfully I did. So I'm very over the moon. I'm very happy and very excited to continue my this journey. When I started the journey of speaking English, English was not easy for me. It was very difficult. Um I didn't have any vocabulary. I didn't know any kind of words, and I didn't have any grammar rules. No grammar rules. But I started the journey. Uh, Over 15 days, every single day, I practiced a lot. I read on articles. I listen the music, English music and English web series, videos, uh, learn some vocabularies. That's how I learned, and gradually I improved. And right now, still I am much confident than earlier. uh, right now I have some vocabulary easily I can use in my conversation, in my speaking English, and I know more sentence structure than earlier. And right now I'm a confident to talk with anyone. Earlier I had a lot of lack of confidence, but right now I have a more confidence than earlier. So it is the good part of my journey. That's why I want to share with everyone. Yes, definitely. Still, I'm doing mistakes. Still, I don't know more sentence structures and more vocabulary. My pronunciation is not more clear, but yes, I improved my pronunciation and every part of learning. So I learned one thing. The best part of this journey is I learned one thing I want to share with you. Consistency is the key to learn anything. If you are learning English language, so you have to first be consistent in this journey. If you are consistent, so progress gradually come. You have to take patience. I took a patience. That is why I am here. And definitely, sooner or later, I will definitely achieve my goal. I will definitely speak better one day. Thank you for being a part of my journey. And thank you to support me to learn this journey. I know many of you are also on the same page. They want to learn English, but they don't have any idea. So remember one thing, consistency is the key. If you are consistent learning, so progress gradually come in your life. So always be consistent and remember, you will still do mistake, but forget those mistakes and focus to the learning. Because learning doesn't mean that you are studying for hours. It means that you are focused to the learning part, speaking part, at least 15 to 30 minutes. It's the enough. If you are speaking with someone, uh, this is the enough, and little bit learn grammar. So it is the enough for you. If but focusly you have to learn it. There is no need to learning for an hour. So if you remembered these things, so definitely you will speak better one day. So thank you for being a part of my journey, and thank you for support me. Because of you, I learned lot of the things in this journey. So we will meet in the next video with the day 16 video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.